Welcome to the 31 Days to Learn programming course from Destin Learning. In this first chapter, titled Choosing Your First Programming Language, we'll guide you through finding the perfect starting point for your coding journey. Welcome to Chapter 1, Choosing Your First Programming Language. In this chapter, we'll explore the common pitfalls of selecting a language, introduce you to the big four foundational languages, and explain why Python stands out as an excellent choice for beginners. By the end, you'll feel confident in your decision to kickstart your programming adventure. When you're new to programming, it's easy to fall into what we call the language trap. There are literally hundreds of programming languages in existence today, and trying to pick one can feel overwhelming. Many beginners pick the wrong language for their goals, leading to early frustration and even giving up. But here's an important truth. Core programming concepts like variables, loops, and functions remain fundamentally the same across almost all languages. What changes is the syntax, or how you write these concepts. Understanding this helps you see that once you grasp the basics in one language, you can apply them to others. To help you navigate this vast landscape, let's look at the big four languages, which are foundational in the programming world. First, there's Python, known for being highly readable, almost like plain English. This makes it perfect for beginners, as you can focus on logic without getting bogged down in complex syntax. Next, we have JavaScript, the undisputed king of the web. It powers interactive websites and web applications, making web pages dynamic and responsive. Then there's Java, a robust language that runs massive enterprise systems and is the backbone for Android mobile applications. Finally, C is a powerful low-level language that gives you direct control over computer memory and hardware. While C is incredibly versatile, its complexity means it's usually not the best starting point for new programmers. So, why we choose Python for this 31-day challenge? Python offers several compelling advantages, especially for those new to programming. Its syntax genuinely reads almost like plain English, which drastically lowers the learning curve. Python is also the industry standard for artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data science, making it a highly valuable skill to acquire. Crucially, you can achieve identical results with significantly less code in Python compared to many other languages. This efficiency allows you to focus more on problem solving and less on tedious syntax. For all these reasons, this 31-day challenge will exclusively use Python for all its examples, giving you a solid foundation. Let's summarize Chapter 1. Remember to pick a language based on your specific career goals and interests. Python stands out as the best starting point for beginners due to its readability and versatility. Always keep in mind that core coding concepts are transferable across any language you learn. Most importantly, focus on understanding programming logic before getting bogged down worrying about complex syntax. Your journey into programming should prioritize problem-solving skills.